In this video, we build a system where AI and humans work together without chaos. This is how Kenji will actually work from now on. Let's see the details. We start with a requirement, then we generate structure, then we generate content. Then a human reviews and decides. Everything is stored in ForJejo privately, and the final version is also on GitHub. This keeps the system clean. This is the system, multiple workspaces, each with a role, all connected by Git. ForJejo stores everything privately. GitHub only receives the final results. Review Worktree for isolation. As the human layer, Kenji will review final agent work. From here, he consolidates, he decides what stays. This is the human layer. Let's prepare the human layer first. So before this layer, there will be agent working, and the human layer will come at the end just to check the report, final report made, and put his own input. So I'm gonna create a branch called review, and after I'm gonna add a Worktree, which is a folder, and I'm gonna connect that folder to the review branch. You see, I can't switch to review, because how do you move from one branch to another using Worktrees? By physically moving to that folder. Now moving to the Kenji reviews, you can see the star is next to the review branch. And this is how we're going to work to create this isolation. Inside the community, you get the full repository, architecture, scripts, and the complete production workflow. I'll see you in the next.